Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to make this cute wreath ornament. It is good for your Christmas gifts or to decorate in your own home. So let's get started and look at the materials that we will need today. Today I am using 100% cotton yarn in three colors: green, red and white. This is the yarn that I got from Walmart, but you can go ahead and uh, get any 100% cotton yarn. I am using white color, forest green color, and the red color. Apart from this, we will also need scissors, crochet hook, and yarning needle. For today's project, I will be using 5 mm crochet hook. So let's get started. So we will start with a slip knot, and we will go ahead and chain 40. So you need to chain 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So similarly go ahead and chain 40 and I will meet you back. Alright, so here we are. We have completed 40 chains with our green color. Now we will go ahead and do 3 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So 3 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. 1, 2, and go ahead and do 3 single crochet in the second chain. So this is how we have done 3 single crochet in the second chain. Now the repeat for this round is 3 single crochet in each chain till the end of the 40th chain. So we will just go ahead and do 3 single crochets in each chain, and as you go ahead and keep doing that, you will see that the chain naturally will start to twist. So if you see over here, it had started twisting naturally. So if you go ahead and keep doing 3 single crochet in each chain, it will keep twisting like this. So I will do a couple more with you so that you can see how it is twisting, and then I will pause the video, meet you at the end once you are done with all 40 chains with 3 single crochet in each of the chains. So you might just want to keep twisting it like this so that it start taking shape. So you can see now it had started taking shape, and please go ahead, finish this round with 3 single crochet in each of your chain stitch. I will see you at the end of this. Alright friends, so here we are at the very end. I have 2 more chains to go. I will just put 3 single crochet each in the last 2 chains now so that you can see how it is looking after this is completed. Okay, so here we are. This is how it will look once you complete all the 3 single crochet in 40 chains across, and we will just go ahead and make the same in white color. So you will do 40 chains and 3 single crochet across for the second, for the first row, and then I will see you and we will see how to connect them to form a wreath. Go ahead and do the same for white yarn. Alright, so here we have the white and the green. I hope you can see this. So now we will go ahead and just join them. So we will start at this end, just put them together and start rolling them. It might be a little tricky in the start, but as you will go ahead, it will come together. So just keep doing like this and you might. So if you can see, it had started coming together. Just go ahead, keep doing this until the end. Just a couple more. And here you go. So we have this. Now we will just bring this together in the form of a ring. It is up to you how you want to join these two. I generally just sew in these ends with this over here. You can glue it if you have. If you want to use a hot glue, you can use to glue them together. If you want to use fabric glue, you can use that as well. But I generally take one of these ends and I will sew it over here. So I'll do that. I'll sew the ends here and then I will see you back, and then we will start on the bow that we want to put at the top. All right, so here we are. I have sewn both the ends in, and I like to use one green and one white strand to just give it a pretty good look. You can use both white or both greens, it's your choice, in order to make a small hanging for the ornament. Now let's go ahead and look at the small bow that we have to make for attaching it at the top of the wreath. So we will start with red yarn and we will make a slip knot and chain 32. So we will chain 32 here. 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and chain 32. I will see you at the end when I am done with my 32 chains. Alright, so I'm done with my 32 chains. Now we will start row 1, and that is the only row that we will do for this. From the second chain from the hook we will do single crochet, and we will do one single crochet in each chain from the hook. So we will go ahead and keep doing one single crochet in each of these space, and at the end you should have 31 single crochet. I will see you at the end after doing one single crochet in each chain. Alright, here we are at the end. I have just two more chains to go. So we are done with one single crochet each in all the chain space, and we'll just go ahead and cut the yarn and fasten off. So now what you need to do is you will weave these ends in, and then you need to just make this in the shape of a bow like this, and you can sew this in. I just like to tie it around. So what I generally do is I just take the end of my red yarn and I will go ahead and tie it around a couple of times like this. So really tight and nice. So if you see, once this is tied neatly, it will look pretty much like this. So this, your bow will be ready, and then you can use glue or weave in, attach with the yarning needle, sorry, not noodles, I think I'm hungry. Okay, so you can attach this using your yarning needle, or you can glue using a hot glue gun. Totally depends on you. Okay, so go ahead, finish this, and have a cute Christmas ornament ready. This is a perfect gift as well. You can hang it up on your own Christmas tree. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you enjoy making this Christmas wreath ornament with me. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy crocheting.